Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. In this time, we will present about application of engine conduct and KUAFU in reducing POD, COD, and phosphate concentration in laundry wastewater by Safira Istighfari. Let, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Anira Hayati, NLP 13, and with my partner, Lingga Manugal Bakti, NLP 29. Before we explain about the research, better we know about the stranger words in this title. There are BOD, COD, and phosphate. Let me explain one by one. First one is BOD or biological oxygen demand. Biological oxygen demand is the amount of dissolved oxygen required by microorganisms to break down the organic matter in wastewater. And second, COD or chemical oxygen demand. Chemical oxygen demand is the amount of chemical compounds needed for oxygen to break down organic materials in wastewater. And the last one is phosphate. Phosphate comes from sodium triphosphate or STPP, which is one of the ingredients with large level in detergent. Next.
Yes, and then about the introduction, introduction up, and then introduction about the final project. Her final project report in the first one explained about the eutrophication. Eutrophication is a significant environmental problem, such as the problem of laundry wastewater. And then water quality on parameter is biochemical oxygen demand laundry wastewater or BOD, and chemical oxygen demand or COD, total suspended solid TSS, and the degree of acidity or pH. And the last one, uh, using using the water plant Eceng Gondok, Hyasin, and kayu apu or apu wood to control pollution of laundry wastewater as phytoremediation. The study aims to analyze the efficiency of water plants, Eceng Gondok and apu wood in the reducing the content of BOD, COD, and phosphate in laundry wastewater using phytoremediation technology, and designing phytoremediation reactor, or we call wetland, is using plants which has the highest removal efficiency.
Okay, in this slide, I will explain about the influence quality of wastewater laundry. There are three parameters, BOD, COD, and phosphate with the value and standard quality. The first parameter is BOD with the value reach 103.74 milligrams per liter, and the second COD with the value of wastewater 239.25 milligrams per liter, and the last one is phosphate with the value 16 milligrams per liter. The three parameters are accept the quality standard of laundry water based on East Java Governor Regulation number 52 of 2014. Next.
And the next, what was going in this research? The methodology of her research, there are control and analyze the parameter of liquid wastewater in the laundry. In the same control and analyze stage, it is also called the data collection stage. Data collection stage is carried out relate of the problem research, collected data in the form of primary uh, data and secondary data. And then the method are use acclimatization and scale experiment. The first method is acclimatization for preliminary research. There are plan acclimatization aims to make watery plants hyacinth and apu can adapt to new environment. And then the second method is scale experiment in the phytoremediation test stage. And then designing a phytoremediation tank. A phytoremediation reactor designing result, or we call the wetland, using water hyacinth plant and the apu wood. And the last is experimented of phytoremediation eceng gondok, hyacinth and apu wood for the environment.
Okay, the result of this research. The first one explain the graph for percentage removal biodi COD and phosphate for engine gondok and kayu apung. The first graph is the results show that engine gondok was be able to survive 15 days with the percentage removal BOD, COD, and phosphate in the laundry water as big as 72.34%, 68.22%, and for phosphate as big as 78.12%. And the second graph is the percentage removal BOD, COD, and phosphate for kayu apo. Kayu apo was be able to survive just only 5 days with the percentage of removal BOD, COD, and phosphate in the laundry water as big as for BOD is 8.7%, for COD 20.0%, and the last one is phosphate 46.87%. Next.
Yes, and the next is the result of this research. The second result from her research, we know that designing of free water surface constructor wetland for plant water hyacinth and apu wood uh, has a volume 18 for the length, 5.9 for the width, and then the 0.65 for the height. In the quantity plan, as much as 52,349 water hyacinth and detention time 10.14 days. This free water surface constructed wetland building has a concrete thickness of 200 millimeter with the reinforcement is 19 millimeter in diameter and 80 millimeter spacing. Well, thank you very much for your great attention. May all thus we have share be beneficial for all for us. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.